Stephanie here, and I have an unboxing today. This is from Daniel Delgado at Altruistic from South Carolina. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, this is awesome. So, Etsy shop, altruistic gifts, altruistic moments on Etsy, True Gaming, and Nerdyville. And this is a She-Ra Princess of Power sword. How cool is that? Ooh, you have a sword that's your size. We are going to be doing a She-Ra photo shoot, so this will be perfect for that. Thank you so much to Daniel for sending us this, and I'm super excited to shoot our She-Ra shoot. It's hard to say that. You try saying She-Ra shoot. Shoot or She-Ra shoot. You have a Princess of Power sword. Just your size. Awesome. If you like this video, click like if you want to see more videos like this one. Click subscribe. Leave some comments in the comment box below letting us know what your favorite 1980s, 1990s cartoon is. We'll see you next time. Can you say bye-bye, Lulu? Bye-bye.